Let me ask you a question. What if today was your last day? Would you be proud of how you lived the last week? Or would you whisper to yourself, I wasted it? Too many people are existing, not living, scrolling endlessly, waiting for the right time, trapped in routines that lead nowhere. Stop wasting your life. There was a man named Arjun. He was smart, kind, and full of dreams. Once, at 22, he wanted to start a business. He had ideas that lit up his soul. But he told himself, let me just get a job first, save a little. I'll do it in 2 years. 2 years became 5. He told himself, now I'm too tired. Maybe after this promotion. At 30, he had money, but no joy. The fire, gone. The dreams, just blurry memories. And yet, he kept waiting. Next year, when I'm ready. At 35, life threw a storm. His father passed away suddenly, and in that silence at the funeral, he heard a voice inside whisper, that could have been me. What have I done with my life? That night, Arjun cried, not because of death, but because he realized he had never truly lived. Time is the most brutal currency. Listen carefully. You can get money back. You can rebuild a career. You can repair relationships. But you will never get your time back. Every day you spend doing something meaningless, every hour you spend doubting yourself, is time you'll never see again. Your time is your life, and most people are trading it for cheap dopamine hits, toxic people, and fear-driven decisions. Why? Because it's easier to waste time than to face your dreams. No one's coming. Here's the hard truth. No one is coming to save you. No miracle, no perfect moment, no superhero. You're waiting for the world to push you forward, but it won't. You have to be your own wake-up call. You're not too young. You're not too old. You're just scared. And fear loves to wear the mask of logic. But here's the thing. Regret is 10 times heavier than fear. You don't need to do everything today. You just need to do one thing, right now. Open that book you've been ignoring. Apply for that opportunity you've been afraid of. Go for that run. Start that habit. Tell them you love them. Forgive. Let go. Just move. Because life rewards movement, and time punishes delay. 10 years from now, you'll meet 2 versions of yourself. One who took action. One who made excuses. Which one will look back at you in the mirror? It's not too late, but it will be. If you keep waiting, stop wasting your life, because life is not a rehearsal. This is it, and your time starts now.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our future videos.